Hey friends, after a long time, but today we are going to discuss on an important topic that happened in the history in 1950s. Today, back in 1949, on the 26th November, the Indian Constituent Assembly was assigned to draft the Constitution of India, and it was back on this day on 26th January in 1950, Indian Constituent Assembly drafted the Constitution of India, and from that day, the Constitution of India came into force as the governing rule of India. But as a citizen of India, I feel that we should all know the Constitution of India, because it's the rules that are set to define us and to follow them. But it's a long time taken to follow those rules. But I think we can have a look on the preamble of India. I think I will read it. So the preamble goes like that: we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and integrity of nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give ourselves this Constitution. I think this tells a lot in our daily lives. But what's the latest, what's the hour of need from this Constitution is this line: justice, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. In our daily lives, we always wait for the opportunities to come. We always wait for the chances to come. We always wait, then they will come and we will grab those opportunities to come. But guys, this is very simple. Opportunity don't come and knock your door. It has to be made to knock your doors. And how it can be made, it's not like a joke that you have to first create a door. It's as simple as it written in a preamble: liberty of thought, worship, belief and faith. You have to show. You gotta speak in front of the world. You gotta show what you got. So that if you want to grab those opportunities, then go and speak out. Don't just sit. If I want to summarize all these words in a few lines, then from these lines of the book called How to Win Friends and Influence People by the Dale Carnegie, the line goes like this: the ability to speak is a shortcut to distinction. It puts a person in the limelight, raises one head and shoulders above the crowd, and the person who can speak acceptably is usually given credit for an ability out of all proportions to what he or she really possesses. I think this describes all. If you got to have those opportunity, you have to use your liberty of thought, expression, worship and the faith that you have. You got to show to the world what are the things, what are the stuffs you got. If we 390 million Gen Z people of India, or if we 440 millennials of India, or if we 65% of India's population under the age of 35, or if we half of the India under the age of 25 decide to have this liberty of thought, expression and speak and faith, then I am damn sure that we will leap forge all the countries and all the world. And yes, India will set a stage. If you gotta do something, first of all you gotta show. You gotta show what you got. And there's nothing bad in showing off. Nothing. Today's morning mantra on this Republic Day: don't just sit still. Don't just keep watching these videos. Go out and do and speak out what you got. Tell this world what you are really capable of. And I'm damn sure that all the liberties that we have given, if used wisely, properly and in the acceptable manner, you will seize all those opportunities. And see you next time with the new videos. Until then, bye bye. We, the people of India. Thank you.
Hey guys, if you love these videos, like and share this video, and I would love to hear you have the thought of the liberty. Write in the comment section below and share these videos. Thank you.
Let it go, make my body go, take our bodies higher.
Are you still here? Why are you here? Just go. Show the world what you got.